Hi guys, this is Mosh. Welcome back to another one. If you're new here, click on that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be talking about Forex and why I got into Forex. If you didn't know before, I've been exclusively trading the stock market and commodities since April 2020. That's all I've known. I've actually never touched the Forex markets, but I have recently and I'm planning to get into it fully. Why Forex over stocks? Forex is a much bigger market. About $6 trillion are traded every day, whereas all the stock markets combined, so London, New York, Tokyo, all of them combined is about 300 billion traded per day. Forex also has high liquidity, so that means you can get in and out of trades very quickly, whereas in the stock markets, depends on what you're trading. If a company doesn't have a big market cap and low volume, it's hard to get out that trade. The Forex market is also 24 hours, whereas with the stock market, you're limited based on which stock exchange you're using. For me, as I do this part-time and as a hobby, it gives me that flexibility. Another key factor for me was that in the Forex market, because it's so vast, you don't really get one or two players moving the market a lot. So for example, in a stock, you can get one trader that can massively determine the price. They can push down the price or push up the price literally just by doing one trade. Whereas in the Forex market, that is a lot harder to do. You have to have a lot of people moving the price. So they're all the benefits for Forex market, and I thought, why not give it a go? So what I did, I signed up to FTMO, and I'm gonna show you guys all the results, every single trade, and how I went about my trades as well. Normally, I trade on fundamentals and some technicals when it comes to stock market. When it came to Forex, I just completely relied on technical analysis. I didn't trade any fundamentals, and the results were very good. Okay, I've logged into my FTMO account. As you can see, these are my current results. Okay, and it's over 49 trades. Now, because I've never traded Forex before, I've done the free trial version just to get used to the Forex market. You get used to MetaTrader 4 because I've never used that platform before either. And for me, it was just to see if my strategy was going to work on the Forex markets that I normally use for stocks. Okay, you can see the trading objectives. So I managed to do it in 9 trading days and the minimum was 5. My maximum daily loss was 2,500 and I managed to get 2,300. I was very close. I initially thought the maximum daily loss was realized profits, okay, but it's unrealized profits. So you have to be careful and watch your drawdown. The max loss was minus $5,000 and I managed to hit 3,800. Profit target was 2,500 and I stopped trading when I hit 2,500. Okay, let's look at the stats. So my average profit was 153 US dollars. Okay, average loss was $159. The number of lots traded was 116 and I done that in 49 trades. My return to risk was a bit lower than I expected. It was 0.96 and my win rate was 67%. Okay, and the profit factor was 1.98, which I'm quite happy about. I'm going to show you guys my trading journal. I'm going to talk through some of my trades. So if we start at page 3. Okay, now I started using my normal strategy that I use, and as you can see, I was just getting used to it. I was figuring out how to use MetaTrader 4. This minus 222 is actually a mistake. These trades were just me dipping my toes into the water, and as you can see, the profit is generally increasing. Now, if I go to page 2, let's start at the bottom. Okay, now this is where I decided to change my strategy a little bit and start using a scalping method that I come up with. So you can see when I started trading the higher lots, this was a scalping method that I started using. Whereas the one lot trades, they're generally my normal strategy that I use. So you can see scalping, I was literally coming in and out of the trades in a couple of seconds. You can see there that I was almost 30 seconds between those trades. So this was just using a scalping method. Personally for me, I tried it out, but I wasn't a big fan. I did make £228 profit here. Okay, again, using the scalping method. I felt that it required too much focus, and you have to be literally staring at your screen. And the way I work and the way my life is set out, I can't be doing that. So my natural trading method is I'm a swing trader. I'm not a big fan of scalping, but I tried it out and it wasn't really for me. All right, now, if I go to page 1, okay, you can see this is where I'm making a lot more profit using swing trading method, because that's what I'm most comfortable with. And that's what works in my daily life as well. I can't be there staring at the screen every single minute. And you can see as I was getting more comfortable with Forex, I was getting bigger, I was hitting bigger and bigger profits. Now with Forex, I found you have to manage your risk very, very well. As you can see, the biggest loss I had was minus $374. But again, it's still within my risk tolerance. I still didn't risk more than 1% of my account. 1% of $50,000 account is $500. And every single trade I've done, it's never surpassed that. That was the FTMO trial version. I would recommend giving that a go first before actually paying for it and jumping into it. As I said, I'm completely brand new to Forex trading. I've been doing it a couple of weeks. So for me, I'm going to carry on with the trial version and just refine my strategy. And there's a couple of mistakes I did make. The problem I really had with Forex is it moves very, very quick. So you have to really think about your stop losses, because you can be stopped out very quickly. I'm going to keep practicing Forex for a couple of months. Once I get comfortable with Forex, I'm going to pay for the challenge for the $100,000 account. If Forex is not your thing and you want to trade stocks, make sure you claim your free share worth up to £100. All you have to do is open an account and deposit £1 into a Trading 212 account, and they'll give you a free share worth up to £100 using my link below. So definitely go do that. Please go like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.